How to fix your Instagram direct message not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Instagram direct message not working. Well, first thing, make sure you are connected to a proper internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, you might try and connect to another internet or try using mobile data. Second you can do is update your Instagram. Head over to Play Store and make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version of the app. If not, you will find the little update button instead of this open button that you can see on the screen. Click on update and your Instagram will be updated to the latest version. This might solve a problem. If not, try logging out your account and log in again. This might fix a lot of glitches, so this might help you too. Now, if this still doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Or you can go to settings by scrolling down the notification bar and go to settings, go to apps, and here if you go to apps and search for Instagram. Now once here, head over to storage and try clearing the cache. You might even clear data, but that won't be necessary if you uninstall and reinstall the app. If this all doesn't help, then open your Instagram, tap on profile and then head over to your settings. Here on settings you can find the option help. Click on report a problem and then report a problem. Here you can either include and continue and don't include and continue and explain your problem. You can simply write direct message not working and then send it by clicking on the send option that you can find on the top right of your screen. Now, if you do this, Instagram team might get back to you within 24 hours or 48 hours and might help solve your issue. Hope you liked the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any other issues.